Students, today we're watching Tropical Storm Delta, which is currently south of Cuba and is forecasted to come over the Yucatan Peninsula as a tropical storm over the next day or so, and then it's going to hit this very warm water in the western part of the Gulf of Mexico and develop very rapidly, intensify very rapidly, become a significant hurricane. And the forecast is that the wind speeds by Friday will be at about sustained at about 125 miles an hour. With gusts of up to 145 or so. So it's going to be a major storm, and it's going to turn towards the north. That's the forecast. But right now, there's a great deal of uncertainty as to that forecast, and the projections show anywhere between the western side of Louisiana, where Laura came ashore, or eastern part of Florida, where Sally came ashore. So it's the same general area right now. The reason it is so uncertain is because there's high pressure over the U.S., the central part of the U.S. There's lower pressure over Florida, but that's generally forecast to increase. And this map here, which shows the forecast on Friday, shows for developing higher pressure over Florida, and that's what's going to steer this storm round to the right, okay, around this high pressure system. So it's projected to come around towards the right. But as I say, there's a great deal of uncertainty, and that's why right now there have been no evacuation orders in New Orleans. But I expect that to change over the next day or so. So watching this storm. It'll be an interesting one over the next few days. It could be a very significant hurricane to hit the same areas that have already been hit by Sally and Laura.